Today I'm going to teach you how to build and use a green screen. Part 1. How to build a green screen. Here are the parts you need. You should have at least 2 to 4 poles, 2 stands, and some clips. There are also covers that you can use to prevent scratching yourself. First, destroy the instructions. You don't need them. Next, start opening one of the stands. Make sure to tighten the bolt so it doesn't fall. Now, on top of the stand, there will be poles to make your green screen taller. All you have to do is unbelt them and bring the poles up. Now we do the other stand. All you have to do is open the stand and tighten it. Take the washers and wing nut and put one of the washers back onto the top of the stand. After that, we will take one of the poles and make sure to use the one with the bigger hole and put it onto the top of the stand. We'll put a washer on top of that and screw the wing nut on. Make sure to do both of the stands. On the other end of the pole, there will be a button which you could push in and lock into the other pole. Once we're done, we'll have something that looks like this. Next, we are going to put the screen on. Let's take the clips and clip them onto the poles so they are set where they should be. Now we are going to lay the green tarp onto the pole and clip the clips over top of that. And here is the finished product of the build. Good job! We did it! Part 2. Using the green screen. First, you're going to go into your project bin in Premiere Pro and move what you recorded of your green screen onto your sequence. Next, we're going to go into our effects panel and type in Ultra key into the search bar. You can also find it by clicking Video Effects and keying. You'll also find the Ultra key. Once you've found it, drag and drop it onto your video in the sequence. Now let's scroll down to the effect we just put into our video in the effect controls. Once you're there, click the eyedropper on the color key. This will allow you to pick the color you don't want in your video. We will be picking green since it's a green screen. To clean up the video's missing color, you can go into the map cleanup bar located inside of your Ultra key. Once your video is how you want it, go into your project bin and pick out a video you want for your background and drag it onto your sequence under your first video. Great job! You successfully learned how to build and use a green screen. Thanks for watching!